I have to stack as many hats as possible onto your head shard.
Kemp is falling. Quick!
We've done it!
He's gonna do it!
We did it!
We're on a ship because we're talking about relationships.
Katy Perry.
Katy Perry, I need to find Orlando Bloom.
Orlando Bloom, have you seen him?
Yes, I've got Orlando. Oh, we got the key!
Right, so there's about 10 over there. There's 10 here. I think there's 2 inside one of their little huts.
2 in the water.
What's that? 63! 63! 63! Yeah! Yeah!
Great, Sonny's. No, he's already reared off. What are you doing?
Dog.
No, Sonny, that's into the cones. 4, 3, reverse. 2, straighten it up. 1! You take this key, Sonny. You did very well.
Oh, go on then.
Whoa!
We did it!
Roman, you'll have 30 seconds to race your go-kart around the giant Monopoly board. Collect the community chest key off Mr. Monopoly and then open the community chest. Ah, look what I got! Tell me! I'm over the line!
5, 4, 3,
Hurry up, Roman!
2, 1!
We've done it! That is it. £100,000 for Capital's charity. Globals Make Some Noise. The Monopoly mission complete.